There's a special kind of magic that fire brings to food. Being outdoors, the smell of the smoke, and having family to share it with. It's all part of what I love about barbecuing in the Australian sunshine.
I love the water and the sunshine, I always have, and I really wanted to share some of that happiness with you guys. It's time to show you a little of the place where I grew up, Australia. So I'm going to be doing some Thai style grilled chicken on the charcoal, but we just need a very simple marinade to start off with. Just a little bit of coriander. We're going to use the coriander roots actually, because the root has a lot of flavour that's going to be really good for our marinade. Alright, so I know coriander or cilantro, depending on where you are, a little bit of a controversial ingredient because some people don't like it, but can I say, even if you don't like it, just give this marinade a try where you use the root end only, because by the time you've cooked your meat, you actually can't taste the coriander flavour as much. But anyway, if you don't want to use coriander, just use some basil or some mint here, that could work too. Now, I also need some garlic, and I want some white peppercorns as well. So this is going to be a very familiar mixture to lots of you who watch my channel. This is a very traditional Thai style paste. We call it samgler, and it's the basis of a lot of curry pastes, a lot of stir fry mixes, all sorts of stuff. It's kind of like our, you know, our holy trinity of ingredients. All right, now we just want to pound this to a fairly rough paste. We don't have to be all fine dining here. All right, so this is the kind of situation we're looking for, and wow, like I have to say, this is the smell of my childhood. It is, you know, my mum's kitchen, my mum making curry paste, my mum making, you know, this and turning it into a soup, oh, all those things. It makes me happy, in short. All right, now I'm gonna get this straight into my chicken. Now, I also just need a little dash of turmeric. All right, so we just need some fish sauce. And then I want a little bit of ketchup mayonnaise here, or any kind of dark sweet soy sauce, because I really want a nice sort of burnished, lovely, deep dark color. All right, so we just want to give that a mix. All right, now you notice I'm using thighs for this. I am a legs and thighs girl, as I always say on my channel. But if you want to do chicken breast here, totally cool as well. I'm going to make like a Thai style coleslaw salad dressing. Just start off with some garlic. Just pop those skins off. Now add the chilies and just pound that to a kind of rough paste. And take those chili stems out too. Now add some roasted peanuts and pound again until a kind of medium rough paste. Add some fish sauce, sugar, and lots of lime juice. Now give it a mix. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the flames to die down on those coals, and I've just let the chicken marinate for as long as it takes to to light the barbecue basically. It's a really intense marinade, so that's good for me because I'm generally not as organized as I would like, and I don't have an overnight marinating time usually, especially with 2-year-old running around. Hello honey, I thought you were going to take bait for daddy. Alright, I'm gonna get my chicken on. Alright, so do you know what's really funny about this is that, you know, this is the kind of smell that I get when I'm walking to work in Bangkok, like the beautiful charcoal, you know, chicken grilling on the side of the road. And now here I am by the river in Queensland and Australia, and you know, I'm kind of getting that same feeling, that same, you know, memory. But this is a new one, I guess. So, yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so while the chicken's doing its thing, I'm going to mix up that coleslaw that we made the dressing for earlier. So I've just got some really lovely, just finely sliced Chinese cabbage. Chicken is looking and smelling amazing. Okay, I really got to test this out. Make sure it tastes as good as it smells. Ah, that is, without word of a lie, so ridiculously good. I mean, I just love that beautiful charcoal flavor, and that marinade, such a simple marinade, such big flavors though. And I love that this is like a little bit of Thailand here in Queensland. So awesome. Oh, all right, let's get eating.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yummy. That's yummy. Are you happy with that?
I'm very happy.